reality, you could have a beautiful website, but if the content is shit, it won't sell. And you could have a shitty website, but if the content is great, it just might sell. Kickboxing, done. Definitely getting a lot stronger, I feel. I think my weakness right now is push-ups and burpees, because we do a lot of conditioning in this class. So a lot of body weight exercises. So I'm gonna get better at push-ups and better at burpees. But in general, getting a lot better, a lot stronger. Kicks are getting better. Just gonna focus on the basics right now, the fundamentals. Just getting my conditioning up, the basics down, and then once that's done, I'll focus on the advanced techniques. Overall, a lot happier, getting a lot better. My coach is fighting on Saturday. It's a stick fight. So using sticks, fighting somebody. I might go. Let's see. It'll be fun. Watch my coach fight. In general, it's going good. Today's gonna be a good day. Woke up feeling good. I woke up a little late. I need to get to practice a little earlier. I need to be here 10 minutes early. That's the standard. I told coach I'm gonna go to practice tomorrow because I'm not that sore from today's practice. I'm gonna go to training tomorrow because I said I would. And there's no training on Friday. So typically I was thinking of doing Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Though there's no training tomorrow, so there's no training Friday, so I'll go tomorrow. Eventually I'll work my way into getting into 5 days a week. But I think 3 days is good for now, so my body has a little bit of rest. And then on the days that I don't go, I can practice whatever doesn't feel sore and just do weights or whatever. But my shoulders are a weak point for sure. Anyways, heading back to the studio for a cold shower. One of those days where I'm feeling good, feeling strong. I slept well. Gotta cherish those days because they come I would say every 30%. 70% you're just trugging along, but 30% I think you can really push yourself. Alright, see you guys back in the studio. Cold shower, 25 done, 25 of these and done in a row. Let's see. What should we talk about today? I feel like family relationships is quite difficult. Something I've been struggling with dealing a lot in my life. And when it comes down to it, despite whatever family fights we have, I do realize I only have one mom and one dad and one sister. So I do my best to forgive, forget, and move on. So don't hold grudges. I mean, if stuff happens, if there's bad blood, do your best to keep space, but eventually get past it, because you only have one family. Something I've learned. And also, as a man, I've learned that I can't be so emotional. You got to control your emotions. You got to control what you say. You got to be level-headed. And you can't let what other people say get to you. Yeah. Anyways, it's been a good day. Killed it at kickboxing. I fucking killed it. It's a good day. I'm gonna go tomorrow. I told my coach I'll go tomorrow, so I'm just gonna go. Got a lot of stuff on the agenda today. Tomorrow I got to take my car in. There's a coolant leak in my car. I also want to fix my left turn signal that's not working. It's not the bulb, there's some wiring in the headlights that's wrong. But right now I'm just gonna make some breakfast, and then we're gonna work from home until about 11. I got this whole masterclass seminar with that Vin Jiang guy on speaking from 11 to 1. Then I'm gonna go to office, so I'll just do that while I'm working on some slides. Anyway, keep you guys updated. Hello everybody, back at the shop. Good day at work, got a lot of stuff done. So back. That kid picked up his parts. That order's done. Add another $270 to the revenue tracker. Which is cool. And apart from that, we got another order done. I think I could probably show you that one. It's these where is it? Where did she just put them? On my desk. Oh, where'd it go? You see where my machine has put them. All right. So we got these little orifices, and they turned out great. So just a thing to drop pressure. So we made these. They turned out really great. I'll probably make another one and I'll show you that process, but that's actually a pretty interesting product because it's super easy to make. And it seems very prevalent. I mean, but anyway, it was cool. Right now, I'm gonna work on more advertising, more marketing. I attended a master class today. I believe I told you guys, Vin Jiang on communication skills. But right now, I gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, but I'll be right back. One of the things as a business owner is being pretty adaptable and pretty adept at a lot of different skills. In the beginning, I did almost all of the website design. Now, I have a developer that handles it on Fiverr. Although with small changes, I don't want to contact the developer. So I'm still pretty adept at making small changes to my website, right? So how a website is hosted, I guess I'll give you guys some background in just website hosting, everything. So typically you build a website that is, like if you're going the HTML, JavaScript route, you'll program the website in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then you'll host it on a platform such as HostGator or Bluehost or whatever. And how that looks like is something like this. So when you log into HostGator, you'll have your hosting, you have your content management system, and you have your file manager. And this is where you upload all your files. So these are all the files that go into my website. For those of you that are just joining us, here's what the website looks like. So this was all programmed in HTML, CSS. It looks pretty good, but there are some content changes that can be made. And that's what I'm going over, because in reality, you could have a beautiful website, but if the content is shit, it won't sell. And you could have a shitty website, but if the content is great, it just might sell. Anyway, so we're gonna change the content here. Now here's what I was thinking. Basically, the website headline is your trusted prototyping partner. It doesn't really, I don't like it. It doesn't tell the customer enough of what we do or why we're better than people, than the competitors. And then you have subheadings here, like just certain things that we do. Again, useless, right? It's just basic stuff. So what I'm changing it to is this. First thing you see, Influx Labs, better CNC machine parts, faster, guaranteed. That is what we do. Now look at our subheading, this is how we solve the problem. Leave the machining to us. Need parts faster? No problem. Call us directly. No elevator music. Out of spec, we make it free of charge, guaranteed. I mean, these are all the things that we're pointing out that are solutions. Right, here's our HTML code. So you can say title, Influx Labs, Quality, Precision, Trust. If we go there, that is our, I think it's our tagline. Oh, here. Probably something like that. This is our, oh, that's the website title. Okay, we're going to the fonts, and now we're in the header. Okay, we're in the main here, main. So here is your trusted prototyping partner. We're gonna change that to better CNC machine parts, faster, guaranteed. And then we're obviously gonna change all of these, the list items here, and the subtitle. I'm just gonna do all that really quick, and then I'll go back. All right, so here's what it looks like. The only thing is it's just 3 lines. I don't, I don't really like it, it's too big. But this side's fine. So leave the CNC machining to us, need part, no problem. Boom. The other thing I wanna do, this one I might ask my developer to do, but I wanna move the form all the way to the top here. But anyway, this, I could probably change it to better CNC parts. I'm gonna get rid of the machined. So let's do that. Yeah, this looks better. Better CNC parts, faster, guaranteed. Leave the machining to us. Need parts fast, no problem. 10 days standard lead. Call and speak directly. All right, I'm gonna continue working on the website. Just gonna think of other things that we need to do, send some emails out, and follow up with you guys shortly. All right, guys, we're gonna call the video. I ended up having dinner with Mom and then just working on the Etsy listing, just marketing it a lot more, posting on Instagram, on my personal. That's what I was doing for today. I'm gonna call it a day. It's been a long day, I'm tired. I'm gonna go back to the studio, go to sleep. I got kickboxing tomorrow, so go to sleep a little early. All right, day 25 done. See you guys tomorrow.